In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the slicer to view table data. So it's just an easy, quick way to filter your information. You set up basically little buttons to press rather than going in the menu system to create your filters or apply your filters. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our Excel spreadsheet, and this one this is from a few videos ago. This is called 09 Pet Pharma Sales. And so before we had applied a filter, and we had applied the top 10 sales, total sales, and so it should only be 10 rows. So we're going to clear the filter. So we're going to click into our table. We're going to go to our Table Tools Design tab. To the Data tab. We're going to go to the Sort and Filter group, and we're going to click Clear. So that'll give us back all of our records, all the way down to line 94. And then we have some totals here. And so what we're going to do is now we are going to go to the Table Tools Design tab. And in the Tools group, we're going to click Insert Slicer. So right now, nothing should be checked. So we're going to click For Use, On, and To Treat. So it's going to set up different. We're going to pick which columns we want to sort by. So For Use On and To Treat. So click OK. So right here, it just throws it right on top of our information. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab For Use On. All you got to do is click and hold on the title bar of the slicer. And put it here. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit. Well, let's grab our slicer and our To Treat. And it's pretty simple. So all we got to do, so let's show just the treatments that apply to the endocrine system. So we're going to click on endocrine. And so now we know that we have 5 records that match the endocrine system. And we're going to see it for dogs only. So it actually has the first one selected. So what we want to do, we can clear the filter button right here. Well, let's see. So if we clear it, it goes back to dog. So let's click dog or cat. So we don't have dog or cat. How many do we have for dogs? We have them for dogs only. So we can clear this. And now all we see is dog. We can also do dewormer for a dog. We could do flea for a dog, flea and tick for a dog. We could do cat. So we could do hyperthyroidism in a cat. So it's going to sort it automatically for us, is the whole idea behind it. So to clear the filters using the slicers, click the clear filter button. And that's what these are here, clear and clear. And so everything should be selected. And that's how you use the slicer. It's just a convenient, kind of more just to click on a button kind of thing to choose your filters rather than going up and setting them up all the time. And it just allows you to clear it, and it just gives more feature to Excel.